21. Listening skills. Adaptability is not just a skill, it's the golden key that unlocks success, especially in a multicultural environment. But here's the magic: it's not just limited to that arena, it's the foundation of a whole skill set we need in both personal and professional spheres. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of skills. Being adaptable means you're ready to pivot, learn, and thrive in diverse situations. It's not just about surviving, it's about flourishing in the ever-changing landscapes of life. So, consider adaptability your superpower. It's not just a skill, it's the secret sauce that makes you a powerhouse in any environment. 22. You've hit the nail on the head. Listening is far more than just the physical act of hearing. It's like diving into the depths of the conversation, understanding the nuances, and truly connecting with what's being said. Imagine hearing as the entry point, the sound entering your ears. But listening, that's where the magic happens. It's grasping the full spectrum of information, absorbing the details, and making a real connection with the speaker. So, when you've understood only half, you've only dipped your toes into the pool of listening. To truly dive in, catch every wave of information, and let the understanding wash over you. 23. Developing listening skills is like honing a craft. It takes intentional effort and a conscious commitment, both mentally and physically. Picture it as tuning into your favorite radio station. To catch every beat, you need to be fully focused and concentrated. It's not just about the ears, it's about engaging your mind, body, and soul in the conversation. When someone is talking to you, it's like a live performance. Be in the front row, soak in every note, and let your focus be the spotlight on the speaker. It's the art of active listening, where your mental and physical efforts create a symphony of understanding. 24. Focusing and concentrating on what someone says is like turning on the high-definition mode of communication. It's not just about the story, it's about embracing the entire performance. Imagine it as watching a movie in 3D. Every element matters. When you pay attention to the story, the language, the voice and tone, and the body language, it's like catching the nuances in full technicolor. This heightened awareness helps you not just hear the words but truly understand the message conveyed by the speaker. It's like deciphering the layers of a beautifully crafted story, complete with all its tones and textures. 25. Effective listening is like unlocking a secret code. When you grasp the real message, you know you've listened attentively. It's not a skill that comes overnight. Think of it as refining a fine wine. Patience and practice are the key ingredients. If doubts or queries pop up, don't hesitate to ask the speaker. It's like seeking clarity on a treasure map. You want to be sure you're heading in the right direction. With time and dedication, you'll master the art of active listening. It's a journey, not a destination, so keep honing that skill, and soon you'll be a maestro in the symphony of effective communication. 26. Do you know about this incident? A man was driving down the road and his wife called him on his mobile phone. She said, "Be careful, honey. I just heard on the news that there's a car going the wrong way on the highway." The man replied, "It's not just one car, it's hundreds of them." Active listening isn't just about hearing, it's a whole orchestra of nonverbal cues. Here's a breakdown. 1. Smile. A subtle smile signals your interest and happiness about the message. It's like a friendly nod in the language of nonverbal communication. 2. Eye contact, the windows to the soul. Making eye contact says, "I'm here, fully present, and ready to engage in this conversation." 3. Posture, leaning in or tilting your head slightly demonstrates genuine interest. It's like physically leaning into the conversation, showing you're all ears. 4. Mirroring, reflecting the speaker's facial expressions is like a silent affirmation. It's your way of saying, "I understand, and I'm right here with you." 5. Distraction, the nemesis of active listening. Stay focused, avoid distractions, and keep your attention squarely on the speaker. It's the ultimate sign that you value what they're saying. Mastering these signs is like becoming a maestro in the symphony of active listening. It's not just about hearing the words, it's about understanding the melody. 27. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success, and at its heart lies the art of listening. When you master effective listening, you're not just hearing words, you're understanding the deeper message. It's like deciphering the code of human connection. And you're right, missing the message can lead to irritation or frustration for the speaker. Now, the perks of good listening are like a treasure trove. It opens doors to a greater number of friends and an expanded social network. Your self-esteem and confidence skyrocket, creating a positive ripple effect in your life. And here's the bonus, it contributes to better health and general well-being. It's not just a skill, it's a life enhancer. 28. Effective communication is the linchpin of success in both personal and professional realms. Now, armed with our understanding of good listening, let's delve into the art of effective communication. Clarity is key. Like a crystal clear stream, your message should be easy to understand. Use simple language, avoid jargon, and get straight to the point. Conciseness matters, keep it concise and to the point. Think of it as delivering a powerful message without unnecessary fluff. Attention spans are short, make every word count. Body language speaks volumes. Nonverbal cues are the unsung heroes of communication. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and let your body language align with your words. Be open to feedback. Communication is a two-way street. Be open to receiving feedback and adjust your approach accordingly. It's the secret sauce for continuous improvement. Empathy is everything. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Understanding their perspective is like adding a depth of flavor to your communication. It fosters connection and mutual understanding. Timing is crucial. Choose the right moment for your message. Just like a well-timed punchline in a joke, the impact of your communication can vary based on when it's delivered. Adapt to your audience. Tailor your communication style to your audience. Whether it's a formal presentation or a casual chat, adjusting your approach ensures your message hits the mark. Remember, effective communication is an art that combines the power of words, body language, and empathy. Mastering this art is a game changer in both personal and professional arenas. 29. Effective communication is the secret sauce for success, and you've rightly emphasized its prime component, listening. Now, let's unravel the essence of effective communication. Think of it as a dance between words, emotions, and feelings. When you convey your message, it's not just about the words, you're sharing a piece of yourself. It's like painting a canvas with not just colors but the emotions that bring it to life. So, when your message is not just heard but felt, you've hit the bullseye of effective communication. It's a fusion of clarity in words and the emotional undertones that make your message resonate with the other person. Remember, effective communication is not just about what you say, it's about how you make the other person feel. It's the magic that turns words into a meaningful connection. Effective communication is like the glue that holds successful interactions together. When you communicate effectively, completing tasks becomes a breeze, and it's not just about ticking off a to-do list. Picture it as a well-choreographed dance. Each step is synchronized, and when the music stops, everyone involved feels satisfied and accomplished. It's the sweet harmony of collaboration. When tasks are completed seamlessly, it's not just about the end result, it's about the journey. Everyone involved feels heard, understood, and valued. It's the satisfaction that comes from a job well done and effective communication at its finest. So, keep dancing to the rhythm of effective communication, and watch how tasks transform into shared accomplishments. 31. Navigating communication in a diverse cultural team can indeed be both exciting and challenging. Your tips are spot on for breaking those language barriers and fostering effective communication. Let's break it down. Take a breath. It's like pressing the reset button. Calmness in your delivery sets the tone for a smoother conversation. Speaking slowly in a lower tone is like creating a rhythm that eases the flow of communication. Request clarification. Swallowing your pride and asking for clarification is a game changer. Seeking repetition or additional information, even asking to spell a word, is a smart move. It not only helps you understand better but also signals your commitment to effective communication. Make a note for yourself. The power of preparation. Making notes ensures you have a roadmap for your thoughts. It's like having a navigation system for your conversation, making it easier to express yourself clearly. Have a doubt? Ask. Seeking help from coworkers or friends is a strength, not a weakness. It's like having a support system that not only clarifies doubts but also builds connections within the team. And your parting wisdom is gold: being proactive, professional, and confident in navigating language and cultural differences is key. Embracing the learning curve each day and practicing regularly paves the way for smoother communication. They're not just tools for breaking communication barriers but building bridges in a multicultural environment. 32. Nonverbal cues speak volumes, and steering clear of negative expressions is crucial in effective communication. Your breakdown of negative body language is insightful. Let's explore. Drumming your fingers, it's like a beat of impatience or irritation. Avoid the drum roll, and instead, use gestures that convey openness and attentiveness. Scratching, it can be interpreted as discomfort or disinterest. Keep your gestures purposeful, and if you have an itch, handle it discreetly. Crossing arms, this classic gesture can be a barricade, signaling defensiveness. Keep those arms open, welcoming the conversation. Rubbing your face, chest, or neck, it can convey anxiety, skepticism, or discomfort. Maintain a calm demeanor, and if needed, take a moment to collect your thoughts without resorting to nervous gestures. Mumbling, clear communication is the goal. Mumbling can be seen as a lack of confidence or engagement. Speak with clarity and volume, ensuring your message is heard. All these negative cues might unintentionally convey disengagement or distrust. A conscious effort to replace these with positive body language signals openness, trust, and active engagement in the conversation. It's like mastering a dance of gestures, ensuring that each movement contributes positively to the overall conversation. The nonverbal harmony in effective communication.